Your Gallivanting Gal is here to tell you about her experience with the German Tiger Tank model. It is very fun to operate a remote-controlled tank. At one point, I had to take my 2 tanks up to the tank doctor in El Monte to get them fixed.
This will switch the battery. This battery is charged, am I correct?
No.
No?
Because I couldn't, I can only get it.
Lever right over here. You just press that, raise it up, put this down, release it, and it'll go down like that. You gotta fit the battery into the tank.
Really had to think how to make it hard.
Yeah.
Oh, I think you got it the other way.
Again,
Yeah,
sorry.
Yeah.
Should be this way, actually, yes.
Oh, really?
Like so. Yeah, the made in China part has to be
Oh, okay. Well,
on this side. Made in China goes here.
Oh, okay. Because it looked like those other little things should have hooked a different spot.
Right here is the volume switch. This will take it louder, and this will bring it. And you push this way to bring it down. This is for your smoke. This is a smoke machine, and then this is your on-off switch.
Well, it probably has a little bit of liquid smoke in it.
Turns on correctly, the lights will start flashing. Yeah.
So now it knows the battery's charged. Okay.
Yes.
And
So this one, then the batteries are in.
Yeah.
If the batteries are in correctly, then it'll have the red light.
Okay.
And to turn it on, you just press this. So when you hear that sound, that's the smoke machine. To turn the smoke machine off, there's the little red switch.
Yeah, let's just leave it on though. Yeah. So, can you tell if it's going to smoke or not yet? Where does the smoke come out?
It's supposed to come out through here, but if you haven't put the smoke in for a while, then it's not going to come out.
So I have some smoke. Can you put it in?
Okay.
Okay.
It's a little tough. Turn this off a bit. So you just take a few drops. This one's a little harder to do, but you basically get a few drops into that hole right there.
Oh, there's a hole inside of there.
Yeah, there's a hole. You gotta get a few drops in there, and you gotta let it go down.
Go down.
Yeah. It'll slowly go down, and then you have to wait a while, and then you have to run the smoke, and hopefully you should.
And you gotta wait about 3 minutes to get it going again.
You know how to do all the firing and everything else, right?
Yeah, but I want to make sure it'll go. So if you can maybe just, it's never been on dirt before. I usually wipe it on the cement, but this is hard dirt, so. Oh, there he goes. Yeah.
And then you can if you do it a little softly, you can make it go a little slower.
Yeah.
And then if you do it then it'll be full speed.
Screwing something back over there, huh?
Yeah, so inside this wheel, there is a little screw for an Allen wrench.
Okay.
And that will basically take
Yeah.
this one off,
Okay.
so you can re-thread it, and then we'll have to put it back on again.
Okay.
I just have to find a bigger Allen wrench. Yeah, these Allen wrenches are for these things, so I have to find a bigger one for this. I'll see if I can maybe... Yeah. I'm gonna have to find you a bigger Allen wrench for this one.
I have noticed that Tiger tank models can be purchased on the internet for a reasonable price. You will enjoy operating your Tiger tank model. As you become more adept, you will learn to operate the guns.